As you see guys, there the Bitcoin daily candle here, it finished. Today Bitcoin same thing, no real move all the whole day, and also we are here. Also we tell you that all the week is going to be like that. Market it look like we are in holiday. Even if it's not official, but market there is no volume guys. Look at that those days. Now we still have here the down channel like that, and the lower of it here. There is one of two, as also we told you in yesterday video before yesterday. First scenario, from here we're going to go back to the lower of that channel. That's possible because if you're looking with me, low, high, low, maybe from here going to give us another low. That's possible. Second scenario, what is it? The Bitcoin to break for us the top of the down channel, and we're going to pump more higher. Even that one is possible guys. By the way, before we continue it guys, we want that video to reach to 100 likes. Guys, we've been asking you that 100 like how many days? We never ever reach to that 100. Why my friend? Go now smash that like button please. You done it? Thank you very much. And you, if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Or you can even join our VIP Discord where we give long-term swing trading and day trading signals. Those days we don't give in a lot of day trading guys, because day trading those days is too dangerous. Market doesn't got volatility. Maybe it's going to be scalping, but scalping is too dangerous. So us we just focused about swing trading. So if you want to make money with us, welcome to the family. If you still struggling and you want not to lose money, my friend, welcome to the family. If you are interested, of course, the link of our Patreon is down in the description of that video and in the first comment. Click at it. You're going to land here in Patreon. You see that one here, see member option. You click at it like that. It's going to show you those ones here. If you see that VIP cryptocurrency, that means there is no tax sales applicable to you. If you haven't seen it, my friend, choose one of that two. Click at join, finish payment process. Inside Patreon, there is a video going to show you all the steps. There you're going to be in our VIP Discord. If you're facing any problem to join us, you can text me here in Patreon, in the free Discord, in the free Telegram. All the links are down and we're going to solve your problem no matter what is it. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see, Bitcoin, there is nothing new. Also, we showed you yesterday, we got here that inside bar, that one here. And Bitcoin here, it look like we are in a downtrend, guys, unless if we break here. We break that one here, we're going to trade that down here, or the down channel here, we're going to treat it like a flag. That's another story if we break in here. If it's not, there is nothing changed, guys. We're still in a downtrend. Also, we told you we're going to spend all the week sideways here. That means even the Bitcoin option traders, they know the market doesn't go to volume. But the only things I can tell you, we got something else here in Bitcoin in daily. Let me show it to you. Is it that one here, guys? Look at it. The Bitcoin don't have any volume. That man, investors, they see Bitcoin now very expensive. Let's see what's going to happen, guys, because what's happening here in that zone here, it's look like how it's happened here, exactly down there, guys. If you see it here, what's been happening here? Same thing, up, down, till we pump. Same thing now. Or maybe we are in a distribution zone, guys, so you need to be careful about the coming days, what they are going to bring for us. You all know there is nothing to make you worried. We're still in an uptrend, guys, but that uptrend, it might to change anytime. Now we got something else here, that uptrend like that. We need to wait in to see if it's going to be broke. If it's not, we're still in an uptrend. We hope so. We go to that 127k, like me I told you, or 130k. And from there, we're going to see what's going to happen in the coming days. That's all the things I can tell you guys. Now it's going to see Bitcoin on-chain analysis. As every Sunday, we came here, we show you the on-chain analysis. So let's go in there, guys. Here we are, guys. That's the first indicator here, stock flow, that one here. As you see it, guys. Color, it's become yellow here. I'm talking here about long term, guys. We are very close to the top of the cycle. We showed it to you before. As you see it, yes, the color doesn't become very clear yellow like in the top. But guys, you need to be careful. The color, it started getting yellow here in the stock flow, guys. It's not like that, guys, that the top when it's become yellow in all the past cycles. And even now the color, it started getting yellow, guys. If we came here and we try to zoom it a little bit, let me show you those things, what I'm talking about. If you see it, guys, you see the color here. It started getting closer to that zone here, and that indicating maybe we are very close to the top, guys. Even the market now is telling us that. By the way, it doesn't left a lot. Me, I told you September. We're going to explain that tomorrow when the weekly candle close. We got that stock flow in a white background, guys. Let me show it to you. Here we are, guys. Here, look at it. You see the color here. It started getting green, like we are here, like we are here, and like we are here. When we need to sell, when the color become like that, guys, green like that, green like that. Did the color here become green? A little bit, guys. Even if we came here and we try to zoom it like that, let me show you those things. If you see it, guys, here, you see the color here, it's become green now, like we are here exactly in that zone, guys. See it? So you need to be careful, my friend. That's the only things I can tell you. You need to be careful. The top, we are very close to it. When also we sell, when it becomes very green, guys, that means from that side here, we enter to that zone here. That's the right time for us to take the profit. We got the second indicator. Let me show it to you. Second indicator, that one, it doesn't tell in us we are close to the top, guys. As you see it, that when is it the top, when that colors, all of them, all those indicators, they pump. At this time, not all of them, they pump in. That means it's still very early. Let's wait and see the coming days, what they are going to tell us. Because if we came here, and we try to zoom it like that, guys, as you see, not all the indicators they pump in. That's when the volatility is very low, and also we see that because also we are every day in that market. The volume and the volatility is very low. That's when also we are as if not in the top of the market, guys. So you need to be careful about the coming days, what they are going to do. We got another indicator we got today. Let me show it to you. That one here is very important indicator, guys. That one here is telling you that the right time for us to see that euphoria zone, or we see that huge volume enter into the market. Because if you're looking at it in all the past cycles, it's happened, guys. But guys, at this time, we don't got the volume to push that Bitcoin more higher. Actually, if we came here, me show you those things. We came here and we zoom it like that. Look with me, guys, here, what you see, and we got here a bearish divergence here. And that's bad, guys, because the volume is getting lower and lower and lower. So we need to be careful about the coming days. That's the only things I can tell you. We got another indicator today. Let me show it to you. That one here, I showed it to you before. I told you when we touch the orange zone, we need to go to touch either the green one, like how it happened here. Look at it, guys. It happened here. We go back, we touch it. Here we go, we touch the red one. Even here, before the bear market started in 2021, we touch that orange one, and we go back, we touch the green one. Now the green one, where is it, guys? Based on that indicator here, at this time when also we're recording that video, 135k, guys. That means maybe Bitcoin going to go back to touch 135k. Let's hope that to happen. I would be very happy. That's the only things I can tell you. Well, that's it for the on-chain for that week, guys. If you are not subscriber and you want more videos like that, also making on-chain analysis only once a week, every Sunday. If you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn bell notification on, or you can join our Telegram or our free Discord to be updated more quicker, because YouTube, they don't send notification very quick. But it's up to you, my friend. Now let's go into see Bitcoin we're doing today in 12 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 12 hours, guys. Here in Bitcoin in 12 hours, we still have here the down channel like that. And now based on the volume profile, as you see, that zone where we are, it started spiking, guys. That's when we got huge resistance there. Let's see if the Bitcoin going to pump and going to break for us that down channel here, because that one is very important to be broke, guys. That one here is very important to be broke for Bitcoin. If we don't, it's going to get things very ugly, guys. That's the only things I can tell you. But the good news, we still have a very stronger zone from down. Even though when it's possible, me I tell it to you in yesterday video, all the week we're going to be sideways, guys. We are not going to go to nowhere. Now the levels or the zones, you need to look close at them for today. Let me show it to you. Zones or levels, you need to look close at them for today, guys. As you see, we got that level here, 106, 990. Is it below the chart here? We got that zone here above, 111, 959. And we got that zone down here, 102, 603. Those ones, the three levels, you need to look close at them for all the week, guys. There is no other level. We are not going to break above 111, and we are not going to break below 102k. It might will reach 113, but we're going to go back to 111. It might will reach down here to 102, and we're going to go back above. So those ones, the levels for all the week, guys. Now let's going to see Bitcoin we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 4 hours, guys. As you see, Bitcoin is touching here the top of the down channel here. Now it's showing to us as if it's going to give us a double top, like how it happened here, like how it happened here. Let's see if the Bitcoin from here going to dump to touch the lower of that down channel here. That's going to be very bad. Second scenario, we're going to break the top here and we're going to see the Bitcoin pumping more higher. The bad thing about the Bitcoin those days here in smaller time frames, there is no one is buying, guys. It's only those ones they buying Bitcoin futures, but in reality in spot there is no one is buying. You're going to come and tell me BlackRock and those ETF they buying, those ones they don't buy in Bitcoin, and even if they buy, it's not recorded in any exchange, so it doesn't affect the price of the market. That way also we are stuck like that, guys. And those ETF, they take it off all the volume it used to be in the Bitcoin, guys. That way also we saw in the Bitcoin like that, they killing the volatility in Bitcoin. And that's very, very, very bad for crypto in general. So guys, is the time you know anyone he investing in those ETF, go warn him, tell him who is better for you to invest in something, you control it, or you give your money to BlackRock and their friends to control your money. That's a war, guys. You need to be aware of it. Now, what is it the view, guys? If we break in here, we're going to pump more. If we're not, we're going to dump again. That's the only things I can tell you here. We got something else here in Bitcoin in 4 hours, guys. Let me show it to you. Here we are, guys. The Bitcoin here, still playing here with that 20 moving average here. Me, I tell it to you, it's going to fall down maybe to touch here, that 105 or something. To go more higher, I don't think so, guys. Because look at it, the zone here, and even the volume doesn't tell us the Bitcoin is going to go more higher. For Bitcoin to go more higher, we need volume, and there is no volume, guys, as if us we are in a holiday. So let's see what's going to happen in the coming days. Now we're going to see our indicator, what it's saying today here in Bitcoin. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, is it here in a zone where the bulls they controlling. Let's see if it's going to fall down to test here and to test for all the 200 moving average here in 4 hours. And after that, we're going to pump. That's possible. If it's not, that's another story, guys. Because if it fall down and breaking down here, we're going to fall down again. So I think I explained everything. Now we're going to see the Ethereum we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Ethereum in the 4 hours, guys. The Ethereum is another story all the week, and us we are stuck here, nowhere, no real moves. Us we are stuck here. Let's see if there is a huge move coming, that's possible, or from here we're going to dump. The most important, we need volatility because we can't stay like that, guys. That's very bad for traders, exactly for traders. Investors, they don't care about nothing of that. Now what the view? The view of us we still that one here, it's breaking here. We're still waiting the to push more higher. But the only thing is also we're still waiting here, or even here we got like a smaller flag, but it's not completed, guys. As you see it, that one here, if you came like that and you do it like that, we still have here like a smaller flag, but we need the Ethereum to push more higher to break it. At this time there is nothing. Even here we got a bearish flag, guys. Let me show it to you and to zoom it like that to show you that bearish flag here in the Ethereum. You see it, guys, here? That's a bearish flag like that. The one here, it's a bearish flag, guys. If the Ethereum falls down and breaking here, maybe we're going to see it dumping again, because also we got a very stronger zone here in the Ethereum. Let me show it to you in daily. As you see it, guys, the Ethereum here is got a very stronger wall here in the top. So I will not get surprised if I saw the Ethereum dumping from here and go back to test that 100 moving average. So also we're still waiting for all the scenarios, guys. Also we are ready for everything and we don't care about nothing. Now here we still have here that up trend like that. You can even make it like that, like an up channel like that. That means if that one getting broke here, you're going to see that Ethereum dumping more than that. Now it's going to see our indicator what it's saying today here in the Ethereum, guys. Our indicator, guys, as you see it here, it's enter or we stay in here in that zone where there is no one is controlling. So we're still waiting what's going to happen in the coming hours or coming days. We need to come out from that zone here, guys. As you see that zone here, we need to come out from it. I think I explained everything. Now let's going to see the Sol or Solana we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Sol, guys. The Sol doing exactly like how us we told you. You remember what us we said here? We said we got here the down channel like that. We said the Sol is going back to touch it here. Also, it's playing at us that Sol. I will be honest with you. It's breaking here. Also, we closing or we enter a long. It fall down here. We closing that long. But look what happened here. Now let's see what's going to happen here. There is one of two, guys. The Sol going to break that downtrend here, that one, and it's going to pump. That's possible. Second scenario, what is it? The Sol from here going to fall down and to breaking for us. That uptrend like that, and it's going to dump like how it happened before in all the previous cycles, guys. Let me show you those things what I'm talking about. If you're seeing with me, that the downtrend also we're talking about, guys. And look with me here how many times the Sol doing the same thing, guys. You see it here? You see it here? You see it here? all those times it happened the same thing, guys. Let's see if the salt going to do the same thing like how it's happened in all the past times. Actually, the salt to fall down here and to break here and to dump. That's possible. Second scenario, what is it, guys? The salt to break above that very stronger downtrend here and to push more higher. Even that one, it's possible. Why me I'm saying that? Let me show you in daily, guys. Then we go to 4 hours. Let me show you those things. Here in daily, guys, the salt, it's breaking that 120 moving average, but is it in that very stronger level or zone here? You remember what me I told you about the salt or no? I told you we got here that head and shoulder, that one here is getting broke, guys. When it's getting broke here, I told you I'm not going to enter a short. I'm waiting the salt to come back to that zone here for me to enter a short. Yes or no, guys? Look at it here. I think I explained everything. Is going to be a very good entry here on the sol, but we got something very important in 4 hours, guys, in the sol. Let me show you. You see in here, guys, look at the sol. It touched here the 200 moving average here. Now it's showing as if it's going to fall down. Let's see if the sol going to fall down to that zone here, 145 or 144. And from there, we're going to see what's going to happen in the coming hours or coming days, guys. Because if the salt breaking for us the 200 moving average here in 4 hours, it's going to pump more higher, guys. Let's see if the salt going to do the same like how it's happened here, or it's going to break it, guys. So I think I explained everything. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today here in the salt. Our indicator, guys, same thing as you see it. Is it here in a zone where is the bulls, the controlling? But the thing, you need to focus it with me here, guys. Look with me here about that zone here. You see it, guys? How many times also we touch it and we dump? That the first time, that the second time, and now we are in the same zone, guys. You see it here or no? Look with me here in the chart that the first time when we touch it, we dump. Here we touch it, we dump. And now we touch it, guys. We need to be careful about the coming thing. What's going to happen if we are going to dump, or maybe the salt to go more higher, or the salt we got a long in it and we got a short. Anywhere it will go, we're going to catch it. That's our job, guys. And that's why also we're telling you, if you want to make money with professional people, you can join us, but it's up to you. Now let's go into see the XRP or Ripple we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in the XRP, guys. Here in the XRP, same thing. Look at it here. We still have here the down channel like that. Now we're touching the top of it here. That way me, the XRP, I haven't entered in it long. I'm still waiting it either to break above here. I'm going to enter a long second scenario from here, that XRP to fall down to touch the lower of the down channel. So also we're still waiting what's going to happen in the coming days. That's the only things I can tell you. How to catch it? For sure, that one here. If it's getting broke here, try to catch a short, like how it's happening in all the past, guys. If it's breaking above here, the downtrend like that, if we break it here, try to catch a long. Now, let me show you in the XRP what's happening in daily, guys, because that's very important. Let me show you that. Here in the daily, guys, look at it. The XRP's got a wall here. He couldn't break it, guys. Look at it, how many times we touch it here. But the good news, the XRP here give you here like a small head and shoulder, guys. Even in the sol, we got a head and shoulder. Let's see what's going to happen in the coming days. But we need volume, guys. Without volume, we are going to stay like that. With the XRP now, I don't look to enter in it long. I just look to enter short, because also we are below the 200 moving average in daily, guys. So there is no long yet. We need to wait till we break it above here. And also we're going to enter in it long. Now, awaiting corrections to enter a short. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today here in the XRP. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, is it in a zone? Where is it the bulls, the controlling now? Should we enter along? I just show you a very stronger zone, so it's very dangerous to enter along, my friend. That's the only things I can tell you. Now, let's go into see it Bitcoin is doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 30 minutes, guys. Here in 30 minutes, I advised you yesterday, I told you guys don't day trade, but it's up to you. If you want to day trade, you got here that uptrend like that, guys. If it's getting broke here, enter a short, that number one scenario. Second scenario for long like that. Look at it, you see it from the tails of those candles. If it's getting broke here, enter a long. May I tell it to you and I advise you, don't enter in day trading those days. Day trading those days, you're going to lose your money, my friend. There is no volatility, no volume, but it's up to you, whatever you want. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today. Our indicator, guys, same thing. Look at it here. No volume, no volatility, because that indicator here is the RSI, and RSI is a momentum indicator. There is no momentum, guys, in the chart. It's like a pure manipulation here. Look at those spikes here, guys. You see it here? That's why me I told you it's impossible to make money those days. The only way you're going to make money those days by day trading, just waiting those levels like that. And even like that, you're going to lose, my friend, because a lot of times it's going to hit the stop loss for you, because that system like that, to enter from levels, you need to have a very, very strict money management or risk management. You're going to lose 20 trades and you win only 10 that tend to back the money of that 20 trades. But it's up to you, my friends. So that's it for that video, guys. And please, guys, if you like our content and you like our videos, make sure to smash the like button, write down a comment, and if it's possible, share that video in any social media platform you like. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.